Welcome back to Buddy and V vlog. Today we are going on a road trip to Durgapur from Bangalore. Our plan is to reach Vishakhapatnam on day 1. We started at 5 a.m. morning from our Bangalore house. It was dark. We wanted to start by 3 a.m. Unfortunately, it got delayed. We had light breakfast before starting. Idli and tea. We are traveling with our pet, Buddy. Buddy was sleeping. He just woke up to see where we are now. The sun is rising up. The sky looks very beautiful, and so is the drive. Buddy is enjoying the view outside. We have crossed the Karnataka border. We are in Andhra Pradesh now. We stopped for breakfast here. We left the bronze teacup there. The breakfast was pretty good.
This was our first break since we started.
Here you can find my bag with all the eatables. We continue our journey. You can see that it's quite hot outside. We took lot of breaks for Buddy as well as for me. The entire stretch we could see mountains on the sides. They were beautiful to look.
We have already booked a hotel in Vishakhapatnam, a pet-friendly one, and we are hoping to reach in time. Otherwise, we'll have to make a change in plan. We have to take a hotel in Vijayawada probably. Let's see whether we can make it. We are taking lot of breaks because we have a pet and even we want to go relaxed.
We stopped here for lunch. The food was homemade.
My daughter wants to do the voicing today. We had mutton keema, chicken fry and paneer fry and rice.
This road was very good. It was a very nice drive till we reached Vijayawada.
This stretch was the best throughout the journey, and you can see that how good the roads are. We were planning to stop here because my husband had to do his office work for some time, but then we continued the journey because the road was very good and we could reach the destination fast. So we took a break in Vijayawada later for some time.
I know. I noticed a lot of them. And they're going with us. Nothing like that. Yeah. And police will not catch.
We almost reached Vijayawada now.
By the time we entered Vijayawada, it was almost dark. We took a break, as I told you, because my husband had to do some work. We had snacks here.
We stopped here for snacks. We had kinafe and preserito.
Pesarettu is a kind of dosa. It was very good as it is. The food itself was good, and the ambience also, and the customer care also was good. The washroom also was very neat. So people who are traveling can take a break here, and it was very good. But now that it was dark, we were wondering whether we could reach Vishakhapatnam, and so we started looking for lodging, pet friendly hotels in Vijayawada. We had a shift of plan, but then we couldn't find one, and we didn't want to delay because we had to reach Vishakhapatnam also, so we had to make a quick plan. So then finally, since we couldn't find any of the hotels in that span of time, so we thought to continue our journey. So in some place, some dhaba kind of a place, we took food, that is dinner, and then we carried on with our journey. Don't deviate from the main highway road, even though it mentions in the GPS. so that you don't come across bad roads. So the road is not that very good, but then we could manage, and our group members were constantly in touch with us. And early morning we almost reached Vishakhapatnam. We stopped for a break and tea, coffee, and then we had to reach our reserved.
I'm taking Buddy for a walk. He is enjoying with me. We reached the city of Visakhapatnam, and this is the hotel where we stayed. It is a pet friendly hotel and it is very close to the beach.
For day 1 journey. For day 2 updates, please follow my channel.
Thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe the video.